everything because I'm doing this. It's a general practice to clean everything, but it's a paper gasket, I think. Okay, so the housing is done. Let's continue. I believe I've removed all the screws from this part as well, so I'll try to see if it comes off. Oil everywhere, something I have to be used to. There's oil everywhere. These are the bolts that came from the housing, clutch housing. I'll buy new ones after I clean everything. Clean this part. Messy work. Okay. I think I should not have removed this now, because it's only the next step, so it's not. Here are the springs, 2 springs here. There should be another one. Okay, so where the bolt went, the bolt is here. So we have a gasket and a locking metal plate, and there are 2 springs. Just like they say in the manual, there are 2 springs that you cannot see them unless you remove this part. So there was no other screw, no other bolt around this on this bottom part. You just have to bang on it with a hammer, and you can see it's coming loose. So comes loose.